You search how to buy shares of Electricite de Strasbourg SA, and this video will show the basic steps. Electricite de Strasbourg SA is a French energy utility listed on Euronext under the ticker ELEC.PA, and this content is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you will usually need to verify your account with an ID and add funds before you can place trades. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker ELEC.PA to find the listing. Select the entry that matches Electricite de Strasbourg to open the official stock page. On the stock page, check the company summary and the live price chart for recent movement. Confirm the company name, market Euronext, and ticker ELEC.PA to ensure you have the correct stock. To invest, click Invest, enter the amount you want to buy, review the order details, and confirm the instruction. If the market is closed, the order may be queued or executed at the next session, and if you lack funds, eToro will prompt you to add them before completing the purchase. Once executed, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. For the example link to eToro, see the description below.